In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay video in Webflow. If you've ever wanted to give your website that dynamic edge by having videos play automatically, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get your videos autoplaying smoothly. First, you'll want to log in to your Webflow account. If you don't have immediate access, you might want to ensure your login credentials are up to date and ready at hand, as this will save you some time. Once logged in, the next step is to head over to your Webflow dashboard. This is essentially your control room where you manage all your projects, and it's where the magic starts to happen. Now that you're in your dashboard, take a moment to find the specific project that you want to work with. This is important because Webflow manages projects individually, so you want to make sure you're making changes in the right place. If you have multiple projects, ensure you're selecting the one you intend to modify to avoid any unintentional edits. With your project open, it's time to introduce the element that will host your video. You'll want to open the Add panel. This panel is a versatile tool offering a variety of components you can use to enhance your design. From here, you're going to select and drag a background video element onto your Webflow canvas. This is a crucial step, as the background video element is specifically designed to support autoplay functionality, making it ideal for our purpose. Once you've got your background video element placed where you need it on your canvas, you'll want to check its settings. Click on the Settings icon, which will open a new menu where a number of options for configuring your video will be available. Among these options, be sure to verify that the autoplay checkbox is ticked off. When this option is enabled, it tells the video to begin playing automatically when the page loads. Ensuring this option is activated is key to achieving the autoplay effect you're looking for. The final part of this process is all about the video file itself. It's crucial to upload a video that is 30 megabytes or smaller in size. Keeping the file size within this limit is important for smooth performance, ensuring that your video loads quickly without causing any delays or interruptions on your web page. Webflow supports several video formats such as WebEM, MP4, MOV, and OGG, so choose the one that best suits your needs while staying within the size constraint. And there you have it. By following these steps, your video should now autoplay seamlessly on your Webflow project. This feature can make a significant difference in creating an engaging, dynamic website experience. If you have any further questions or run into issues, Webflow has extensive documentation and community forums that can provide additional insights. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.